wait until I'm done for the night, and then sometimes I'll scrape a little bit, and then I just get bigger. So you see the problem. It's a lot better than it was, but yeah, you do. It's not bad. You can see that end's higher.
You know what I don't like about these necklaces is this?
Yeah.
Why is that red? I bent mine out, and then it looks stupid still. It looks like you can tell. I don't know what to do with it.
Well, yeah, it's nothing like the stock one. You can see the roll on that one. It's tiny.
Right. But it's not huge. It's just so.
Yeah.
That's why I bent mine, because I had a bigger gap here too. So I bent it out to make that gap smaller.
This gap, I can push it down enough to make it pretty even all the way across and get that seam really close. But I can't, I don't know, I gotta cut some more stuff. But you saw it, that border was bad.
It's not better than it was. Much better
Part. Like anything that's bad here, you have to remake. See what I'm saying?
Oh.
Which is fine. I mean, they're not that bad.
It doesn't even look like the same.
This one goes. They're different.
It looks like it's too.
This one is the passenger side.
But it's like as far as the width from this roll to that one.
Oh, the rolls are.
There's that at the bottom.
I gotta hold on a second. I can't remember. It's been a while since I messed with them. Or yeah, no. How do they go?
I don't know. It's a good question. Isn't that the?
Oh no, this is right. There's like supposed to be like a door stop.
Oh, right.
So it does go like this.
Oh, okay. So this is.
And then your skin gets hammered over it. But I'm just saying, if the corners are bad,
right,
you have to remake them.
Right. Well, that's more complicated for that to stay up. So.
Oh yeah. Save the hard part. So this stuff's all yours. I can't use it.
Oh, that other stuff.
Yeah. But I didn't know. Like this is everything it came with. I got an extra brand new gutter. I don't want that. Yeah, that's how well like crap. I gotta go back and fix all the pinholes.
A lot of those for.
No.
Duraglass.
Thinking back to the 56 there. There'll be plenty of bonded with this thing. You just tell me how many gallons I gotta buy.
2.
That's what I was gonna say. I see at least 2 here.
See, that radiator is way shorter than mine.
Well, yeah, it's a 6-inch shot, but here's the problem. You can't put a fan in there. So I gotta shove it forward. But I overcut these, which is fine. I saved the pieces, so once I get it forward, I can actually weld them back in and get the shape nice and tight.
You can't do what I did because this radiator and grill fit closer together. I spaced my grill forward.
Oh, right.
How did you decide how tight to tighten those up? I left mine kind of loose. The springs for the
Oh,
radiator.
I don't even think they're tight. Well, I think I just snugged
You
them.
tightened them up pretty good.
Yeah, I guess I did tighten them up a little bit.
It's kind of a weird situation.
Well, what's dumb is they tell you can do the spring on top or bottom. You have your choice, but if you put them on the bottom, your leaf spring will hit it.
Right. Well, not if your front end was out. Your spring was out front.
Well, in this circumstance, it will hit. Yeah, this side's pretty beefed out.
Door shut like that, mine ever did.
That one does.
And your body line just line up with the door.
You know what's crazy is this side actually lines up pretty decent too.
Mine are off, because I think my body's falling down over the frame.
Oh. hinges are bent on the top. That's why it's so gapped out here. You can look at the other side. This hinge should be touching this post, and this one's kind of bent backwards. Or no, it's bent forwards. That's what it is. I just figured, shit, I've got more hinges. Either I'll try to swap them out or I'll just heat them up and bend them.
So this is mounted right now.
Yeah, it is. It's on.
It is?
Yep.
This opens way further than mine. Mine like stops right here.
Yeah, I remember that. But you're already shoving the trunk lid into the back of the car right now, too.
Yeah, right now. But it's free up until right here.
Yeah.
Mine, like, for some reason, doesn't open past here.
It's pretty shy.
That's weird.
Which is retarded because you should have the trunk that opens farther, being that mine's absolutely, completely pointless.
Right.
And I still gotta squeeze the fuel tank and the battery in there. This is the fuel tank spot. And the battery, I don't know yet.
Wasn't your tank mounted?
Yeah, but his 4-lane bars are up there.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, there might be room for one up there still.
The tank?
Yeah.
Yeah. It just depends on the order.
Yeah.
Obviously, we have to fire around.
Yeah. Well, that would be probably look better too. I mean, not like you're going to go to a show and have your trunk open for everybody to see everything.
I'm not going to build a floor in here. I mean, can you imagine putting a floor in here? What would you be able to put in there besides like a pair of pants and a shirt?
Well, you're still going to have a floor.
In the trunk?
Either that or you're going to have to
I'm
build
going to have a wall. I'm going to have a wall, but for me, putting a floor in this trunk is absolutely pointless.
I still would. Just say it would look better.
Yeah, but it's so much easier to get to all your pulling.
Right.
You just do something that would bolt in and out, so if you needed to get to your rear suspension,
Yeah, or like
then
stupid.
These ones welded on pretty good. There, I got one. I always just break them off like that. It's easy.
Yeah, it's still on there.
Well, no, because you still have to grab you still have to grab the base of it and just twist it.
Yeah.
But I don't know what they are. They're cutters, but they're shaped like this.
I have some.
Yeah, you just grab them with those.
I can find small set, I can't find the big set, see? These are what you're talking about.
Yeah, those don't work.
Well, they might now.
Well, they always would have. Yeah. But a lot of people do that. They cut these off and grind them down instead of doing this. I never figured out why. I don't know what these are for.
I didn't know you were coming, so there's only one day I'm not doing.
What? You didn't know I was coming?
No, I didn't know.
Oh, she doesn't drink it. You said I broke these. The end broke off when I was trying to get them.
Dude, I bought these for something I was doing, and they came with the kit. They were like $6.
Yeah,
It might have been the Nova when I had to fix the fan relays. That's funny.
it's all in the back of the car. I mean, you can see
Yeah,
the
watch right here. You can see the quarter go right where it wants to.
Right. It's almost like you need to cut that crossbar off the back.
You think so?
I don't know. I mean, what else would you do?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So you're actually moving the whole doorpost when you do that.
Right, but you don't need to move it up there.
No.
That's just moving it because it's tied into this.
Well, I would figure it would start spreading right here at this cut that I made. It's not.
Yeah.
So the only other thing I can think of, I could try cutting that bar out. It didn't hurt nothing.
But I mean, I don't know. that's only gonna...
It's still gonna stress this all the same.
Right, yeah, that's true. This might make this move easier.
The only other thing I can think of is to cut it right where I tied it onto the old subframe, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Of level.
Okay, well, let me see that, and I'll twist the body down to where this is. Okay, so this is at 0, but then if I twist this down, which I can't do right now, it makes it like 0.3 or something. So anyway, that's what it needs to do, I guess. Putting this down makes it the same as, or at least closer to the same as it is.
Can't figure out where I can try I can cut that back bar. All I gotta do is just put a new one in.
Does any of that move? When you do this, can you see if it's stressing on that?
It's not really stressing because all that's doing is holding the side to side even, you know what I'm saying?
I wonder, can you take this out?
Well, I put that on so when I'm pushing on it, it's not shoving this fucker.
I know, but that might mean maybe that's what needs to happen because I think it needs to move in the middle of the quarter. I just broke my kneecap. I have to charge you for that.
Uh-oh. Well, you'll take it out on my knuckle busters changing your motor.
No, what's going to happen now?
Same thing, we'll just spring back.
Well, it might. Maybe it's going to move right here now, maybe.
I don't know.
What's that?
Trunk loading. I don't have to put as much.
Yeah, it wants to buckle right here.
That's fine.
Right in the middle of that freaking body line.
Cut it.
You might be able to just cut this the wood.
Yeah, that's
the
what
wheel
I'm saying.
up.
I'll just cut that.
Does it move easier now?
Yeah. Well,
But you're probably, it's pinching this, so you're probably going to have to redo this.
that's fine.
Hold it where you like it. I want to measure the bottom of that. See if the height is. You said it was 4 inches? Or,
The opening is 4 inches.
yeah, hold it to where you think it should be.
That's pretty close, I think. How's that?
Fucking barely changes it.
No, I don't even need to change it.
It's like a 1/16 of an inch at the bottom. It changes it.
Is that good right where it's at? Because the back line looks better.
Yeah, it's a lot better. I think once you slice this, because it's pushing it out now.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut right through that square tube too then probably.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Because it's just cutting the sheet metal's not gonna do it.
No, I know, but yeah, you don't want the sheet metal to be holding it down. You're probably gonna have to cut the square tube.
Yeah, that's fine. I can weld that back together pretty easy. It already moved.
Fuck, it came down on its own.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It already moved.
It's almost straight. I can watch the gap. As you cut it, it opened up right here.
Now give her a little push. This is still a little high.
Now you can probably overbend it to where you want it.
I think I need to make another cut down here when you're pushing on it.
It's a lot better even just slitting it. I don't know. I mean, you might want to go a little bit.
Like right there, I think is money, right? Oh, that's crazy. It's not even pushing that out anymore. Yeah, that's pretty good. It looks pretty even on the corners, huh? What do you think? Try to throw a couple tacks at it and see if it'll hold?
I mean, that's perfect right there, I guess. You know, just get ready and I'll hold it. You can start welding it back up and probably need to.
Down where you want her?
Yeah.
Oh, that's burning my feet all the way back there.